I'm gonna teach you how to use one of the most famous and useful indicators in the history of forex. Is the ATR, average true range. Basically, you can search here ATR, and this indicator, what it do is calculate the average movement of the last 14 candles. You can change the if you don't want to use 14, but most people use 14, and calculate the average. So it calculates how much the market moved. Let's say I'm waiting for the MACD to do the cross and I want to go short here. So by looking here in the same candle, I can see that the market moved 10 pips on average. So what I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do is I can use this to calculate my take profit and my stop loss. Usually I open my calculator, and what I do is I multiply the, as you can see here, is 10.7. so I multiply 10.7 times, you can see the value here, times 1.5, and is 16 pips. So my stop loss, usually I do 1.5 the times of the ATR, 16 pips. As you can see here, this market is not moving much. It looks like it's moving a lot, but if you look, each candle is 30 minutes and the market here is completely ranging. So, and what about my take profit? What I would do is I would get the calculator again, and I know that it's 10.7, and I would go for minimum 2 times the ATR, or maybe 3 times the ATR. Yeah, let's do it. 10.7, let's call it 32 pips. So I would go here, 32 pips, and as you can imagine, this is really useful because you start to follow a rule instead of doing things random. So as you can see here the range is much lower, so it means that the price really is in the range here. And by looking here, you can see, like, for example, that you can detect if the market is moving or not. Let's say here the market is moving 6 pips on average. 5 pips is not much, and you really don't want to start a trade here. So I think this is really useful and you can use every single trade. So good luck, guys, and if you want more videos like this, just like and subscribe.
Guys, subscribe to Carlos Branco channel if you want to get the latest.